break this down, the history of this thing. It's also in the book of Coming Forth by Day, but it's also in the actual other papyruses. Now let's go through the whole version of this so you can be clear, so we can get it on tape. Sophia in here is not Newt. Now let's go through the beginning of the world up to where we are now. We're going to do it right now. In the beginning, you had the triple blackness of space called Newt. Apit, Tyre, the great mother of all. Triple blackness of space. Has her first son, it's called Amma in Dogon. But Newt has her first son, which is a reflection of her because she's the triple blackness of space. The first son of one is Sirius, or Soot, which means black one. But it's the light of Sirius, which is the eighth of 7 other stars, the 7 holy Rishas. Newt is in the constellation of Draco. She has Sirius in the constellation of Orion also too, because Orion is Sirius is the chief star in Orion's belt. So the first god in history astronomically is represented as Sirius, the dog star. Okay. Then she has other children, 7 other children, the holy 7 Rishas of the Pleiades. And one of those other children had a baby without the balance of her spiritual mates. Although the gods were androgynous, they were still feminine and masculine. Although feminine was the ultimate manifestation, it was still AC/DC. So she had a baby without her spiritual mate. This disrupted the order of things. And the baby was born prematurely, and because it was born prematurely, it was aborted, and it became the vomit, not quite developed. It wasn't all the way developed. This particular god was called Ogu. We're talking about a Dolograph in here, or Set Typhon. Now there's 2 sets. There's Soot, which is Sirius, and there's Set Typhon of the Osirian drama. 2 different ones.